Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I'm currently working on two videos, this one and then this eye look. So if you want to be able to see them both, I don't know which one will be up first. I think this one, because it will probably be shorter, easier to edit, but that's why it's important to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Sorry for my disappearance. I did end up getting the COVID virus, so I was out for a couple weeks, but I am back. I'm not 100%, but I do want to get back up to my original 2 videos per week, so I'm really gonna try to do that for you guys. Also, I will be doing a Christmas giveaway, and I think I say that in the eye look video. I don't know if I want to do 4 e-gift cards of 25, 2 of 50. I may be able to do even more. They'll be to Ulta. So leave comments down below on what you guys would prefer. Anyhow, so let's jump into it. Let me scoot a little closer. So I watched a Jaclyn Hill video where she did her mascara and really built up her mascara, and that is something I like to do as well. However, I found that the products she used were pretty expensive, and they're probably well worth the price, but I can't afford that, nor, I don't know, a lot of people probably can't afford that, especially for mascara that tends to dry out and be of no use in like, what, 3 months? So I'm gonna give you the same result using some other products. So I have here the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Lengthening Mascara, because that's part of it, is having a lengthening mascara, and then a volumizing mascara. So I'm gonna use the Petite and Pretty. I think this one's $14 around, and then this one's around like $9. So I ended up buying, I needed a new eyelash curler as well. So I got this e.l.f. one. I will say I don't think it's like my favorite, but I bought it. We're gonna use it. It gets the job done. It just, I don't know, I think it needs to be like broken in. So in her video, she starts out obviously by curling the lash. So that's what I'm gonna start out with, which is what I would normally start out with. So you just want to try to get all your little hairs. It makes me so uncomfortable doing this on camera. I hate watching people do things with their lashes on camera, to be quite honest. Like, watching people put on mascara makes me uncomfortable, and I don't know why. So you just kind of want to bounce around, get them good and lifted and curled. I think Jaclyn does a curl after putting mascara on, which, do you? I won't be partaking in that because I've never had good luck with the not sticking of this, and it hurts. Pulls out my lashes. I've never been a fan of curling my lashes once the mascara is on. And I loved her video. Her lashes turned out fine. For me, I think, I mean, she probably spent a good $90 to get those lashes, and you don't have to. So I'm gonna go with my lengthening mascara first, which is the Telescopic Carbon Black. This one has a nice like skinny wand as well. It's not so much my favorite wand, but it is a good mascara and good to get those lower lashes since it is such a small wand. So you get your first coat on, and it kind of lengthens. You can't see them because it's more lengthening. I mean, you can see them in person. I guess get a little close. So you can see them there. Sorry, I can't see worth a shit. I have to be real up in my face. Looking down also helps to not get it all over the place, although I'm not very good at not getting my mascara all over the place. Never been good at it. Probably because I can't see too well. I got this eye look using the new ColourPop palette, one of the newer ones, I should say. They always have new stuff. But the Mandalorian one, check out the video because this eye look. Anyhow, quit tooting your own horn. So let's go on. I'm only gonna do one coat of the lengthening because I think that I'm okay with that. My lashes are, they're pretty long. So then you're gonna go in with your volumizing mascara, and I love this one. They were part of 21 Days of Beauty, and I think it was like only $8, and I got 3 of them. I wish I would have got 6. I always kind of try to get rid of some of this excess, and I think in her video, this is where she curled again. If you want to do that, go for it. I'm not going to. So then you start really just packing this on, and this is what will make them big and fluffy. And I'm pretty sure you can kind of do this with any of your favorite mascaras. The biggest trick is curling them and then using a lengthening one and then a volumizing one. See that? I go heavy on the outer edge as well. And then if you do get it on to your face makeup or your eye makeup, you just take a spoolie after it's dried and you can kind of like scratch it off. This spoolie is so dirty, it's embarrassing. Maybe clean your spoolie or get a new one. I've had this one for years and it's real gross, but it's what I have. So I'll let that dry a little bit more. So the next step would be, she used a potted liner. I'm just gonna use a regular black liner. You can use a potted liner. I have one somewhere, but I wasn't gonna dig it out. You use like a liner that's meant to kind of smudge around because it's thicker consistency. So I'm just using this NARS one I got in a little gift bag. Any black liner that you know and love, like look at how, since I'm wiping a hair off of it, funny hair, speaking of Jaclyn Hill, that's rude. But this is a nice consistency for this. And you just take it and then you rim like just right out here under your lashes to really deepen the base of your lash. That'll make it look a lot more full. So you see this eye and then you see this eye. And obviously if a potted liner is what you have, use it. I just couldn't find mine. Soft. A soft liner is what I was looking for. So then you're gonna go in with your, I'm just gonna use my lengthening, I think, for the lower lashes, because I don't care if those, I don't know. I just want some color on them. I don't know, I might go in with both. So then you go in with your lengthening lash mascara on the lower lash while this is drying. And I like mine kind of light, just some color on them, and then I'm good. But you can also, well, maybe, I don't know, maybe for the video, I'll do both on the lower lash as well. So just getting some color on there. So again, I'll be cleaning up anything, but these are the lashes. Her lighting's obviously much better than mine, and her filming and everything about it is better than mine, so you can see better. But I promise you, you will not be disappointed in your lashes using more affordable products. And if you can afford those products, do you go for them? Because again, I'm sure they're great quality, and she bought like hundreds of mascaras. I've used hundreds of mascaras in my lifetime. These two are some of my favorites, and I really like the Grande Lash as well. So I'm gonna put another coat up top, more based towards the base of the lash. Perfect. And then maybe for shits and gigs, we'll do the lower lash line too with this, just a little bit. I have like a calic in this lash right here where they separate. Just is what it is. So I need to let any mistakes completely dry, and then I'll flake those off. And these are the finished lashes. So like a look like a cut crease where you would feel like you may need like a bold lash or a lash in general. Like my natural lashes hold up just fine compared to this, or with this makeup look. And I am just so happy with how they look. I think it was a great video idea that Jaclyn put up there, because not everybody wants to wear false lashes, nor do they wear them in their day-to-day, but they like a nice full lash. So again, these are products that I absolutely would recommend. This is my favorite all-time so far mascara that I've ever used, this Petite and Pretty. It's the fully feathered volumizing mascara. And then I think when Telescopic came out, this one definitely like was on the map. Everybody was using it, so you don't have to just take my opinion. It is a great lengthening mascara, and it has a nice small wand so that you can get your lower lashes. Again, I think this works, but I think it just needs to be broken in because it's a little stiff, but it does definitely curl my lashes. And I think this was $3 at Ulta. Anyhow, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. It really helps me out. Be on the lookout for December's giveaway. Leave comments down below of your favorite mascaras, any mascaras you would like me to try. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.